Welcome to the fascinating realm of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. This age-old art form offers not only a way to express your artistic vision, but also a fulfilling path to generate income. From custom furniture to intricate decor, woodworking allows artisans to craft unique pieces that resonate with individual tastes and needs. As you delve into this world, you'll discover the endless possibilities that arise from combining raw materials with skilled techniques, transforming simple wood into functional and beautiful creations. In today's market, woodworking presents numerous opportunities for profit, especially for those who can identify and respond to consumer trends. With a growing appreciation for handmade goods and sustainable practices, woodworkers who focus on quality and innovation can thrive. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting, understanding the dynamics of the market, honing your skills, and exploring diverse project ideas will empower you to build a successful woodworking venture. Join us as we explore the exciting avenues available in woodworking, where passion and profit can beautifully coexist. If you're enjoying this content and want to dive deeper into the world of woodworking, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and inspiration. Your support helps us create more engaging videos that explore techniques, project ideas, and tips for success in woodworking. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow enthusiasts who might benefit from it as well. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned until the end to ensure you don't miss out on any valuable insights that could enhance your woodworking journey. Let's build this community together. Fast-selling woodworking project ideas. Woodworking is a craft that combines creativity with practical skills, offering numerous opportunities for profit. By understanding market trends and customer needs, woodworkers can create projects that not only sell quickly, but also showcase their craftsmanship. Here are some ideas that can help woodworkers tap into lucrative opportunities. Market trends and customer demands. To successfully market woodworking projects, it's crucial to stay attuned to current trends. Consumers often look for unique, handmade items that reflect their personal style. Items that serve functional purposes while incorporating aesthetic appeal tend to attract buyers. Researching market demands can guide woodworkers in selecting projects that resonate with potential customers. Emphasizing quality craftsmanship. Quality is paramount in woodworking. Projects that demonstrate superior craftsmanship and attention to detail are more likely to sell. Woodworkers should focus on techniques that enhance durability and finish, such as precise joinery, sanding, and staining. By producing high-quality items, woodworkers can establish a reputation that drives sales through word of mouth and repeat business. Eco-friendly materials. The growing awareness of sustainability has led many consumers to prefer products made from eco-friendly materials. Woodworkers can capitalize on this trend by sourcing reclaimed wood or sustainably harvested timber. This not only appeals to environmentally conscious buyers, but also allows artisans to create unique pieces with character and history. Versatile home decor items. Home decor is a consistently profitable niche in woodworking. Projects such as picture frames, shelves, and decorative boxes can be customized to fit various styles. By offering a range of designs, from rustic to modern, woodworkers can cater to diverse customer preferences, increasing the likelihood of quick sales. Seasonal products. Creating seasonal items can significantly boost sales. Woodworkers can design products themed around holidays, such as ornaments, decorations, or gift items. These projects often see a surge in demand during specific times of the year, allowing woodworkers to capitalize on seasonality while also diversifying their product offerings. DIY kits. With the rise of the DIY culture, offering woodworking kits can attract a new customer base. These kits, complete with pre-cut materials and instructions, empower customers to engage in woodworking themselves. This not only expands the market for woodworkers, but also enhances customer relationships as they share their completed projects. Custom furniture. Custom furniture projects allow woodworkers to showcase their skills while meeting specific client needs. By offering bespoke solutions for items like tables, chairs, and storage units, woodworkers can command higher prices. Customization also fosters a personal connection with clients, leading to referrals and repeat business. Outdoor projects. Outdoor furniture and decor are always in demand, especially as homeowners seek to enhance their outdoor spaces. Projects like garden benches, planters, and birdhouses can attract buyers looking to beautify their yards. Woodworkers should consider weather-resistant finishes and designs that withstand the elements, ensuring longevity for outdoor items. Upcycling and repurposing. Upcycling old furniture or materials can be both a creative outlet and a profitable venture. By transforming discarded items into functional pieces, woodworkers can tap into the growing trend of sustainability. This approach not only reduces waste, but also appeals to customers who appreciate unique, one-of-a-kind creations. Collaborations with local businesses. Collaborating with local businesses can open new avenues for woodworkers. By partnering with shops, cafes, or interior designers, woodworkers can showcase their products in public spaces, increasing visibility. Such partnerships can also lead to custom commissions and bulk orders, significantly boosting profits. Workshops and classes. Offering workshops or classes is another way for woodworkers to generate income while sharing their passion. Teaching others basic woodworking skills can create a community around the craft, fostering loyalty and interest in purchasing finished products. This dual approach enhances both personal and professional growth. Online marketplaces. Utilizing online marketplaces can greatly expand a woodworker's reach. Platforms dedicated to handmade goods allow artisans to showcase their work to a global audience. By optimizing product listings with high-quality images and engaging descriptions, woodworkers can attract buyers from various demographics. In conclusion, woodworking offers diverse opportunities for profit, especially when artisans tailor their projects to market demands and consumer preferences. By focusing on quality, sustainability, and customer engagement, woodworkers can create a successful venture that combines their passion with a profitable business model. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your support and hope you found the content inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and project ideas. Your likes and shares help us reach more enthusiasts like you and foster a vibrant community around our passion for woodworking. We're excited to continue this journey together, so stay tuned for our upcoming videos and keep honing your skills. Your next great project is just around the corner.